Dionne Jackson Miller blasts the PNP, calling them out for playing stale old-time politics while Jamaica moves forward. When Dionne Jackson Miller speaks, Jamaica listens. In her latest video, PNP Must Do This to Win, the veteran journalist delivered a bold challenge to Mark Golding in the People's National Party. So today we break down her message. Raw, fearless, and right on time. Dionne Jackson Miller came out strong and called out the PNP for being top-heavy. She is saying that the PNP can't rely on history or nostalgia to win another election. According to her, the party needs to clean house, fix its internal confusion, and reconnect with real people on the ground. She argued that Jamaicans are tired of talk. They want leadership that listens. Dionne said the PNP must get back to basics, meeting citizens where they live and working year-round, not just when it's time to campaign. She stressed that voters want substance, not slogans. In her own words, if you cannot show people that you are different, they will not believe that you are. And she's right. Trust must be earned. Dionne urged the PNP to come forward with bold, realistic policies on crime, jobs, and corruption. She said if the party can't prove it's ready to govern with integrity and vision, then Jamaica will simply move on without them. Her tone was not hostile, it was urgent. Was this an attack? Or was it a wake-up call? She warned that this is not about comfort, it's about survival. Either the PNP resets and reconnects, or it fades into political history. So what do you think? Did Dionne Jackson Miller hit the nail on the head? Is this the tough love the PNP needs right now? Drop your thoughts below. I'm reading them all. And remember, this is Michy Dex Commentary, where we tell it as it is. No bias, no fear. Like, share, and subscribe for more bold Jamaican commentary. See you next time.